What is up sa inyo guys? So this is Mototech Vlogs and I'm here for a quick review ng camera na Oneplus 7T. As you can see, when you press the camera automatically, open agad siya in less than a second. And we have here the time-lapse mode available for wide angle, normal camera, and the telephoto camera. So available modes for that is here. You can select 720p, 1080p for the time-lapse mode. For the panorama, it's the normal panorama. The normal panorama, as you can see, pwede mo siyang left and pwede mo din siyang right. You do have an option to do that vertically or horizontally. We also have here the slow motion. One of the things that I love here is this. I don't know if you can see. Meron siyang 720p at 960 frames per second, 720p at 480p FPS, 720p at 480 FPS, and 1080p at 240 FPS. This camera is so nice, I can assure you guys. And for the video mode, you have here the flash. You also have the super stable mode. So if you go on super stable mode, it will automatically go to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So let's give it a try. So right now I'm currently like turning right, turning left, right, left. Let's see what's gonna happen on the video output. Alright, so let's stop the video and then let's try to play it. Amazing. This is amazing. Yung software niya has been what do you call this? Polished all throughout these years. So if you're on super stable, you will automatically get to 30 frames per second at 1080p. Hey, that's nice. And you also have 60 frames per second at 4K. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so 60 frames per second at 4K. You also have option to change that to 1080p 60 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and 4K 30 frames per second. Wow, astig. Look at that. Alright. And for the settings, you have ultra shot HDR, smart scene recognition, mirrored selfie, high efficiency video histogram, and a lot more. You can also turn on the shot on OnePlus watermark, just like this. So let's move on. We have here the photo, which is an amazing photo that you can get from the Oneplus 7T Pro. So let's get a sample shot here. This is the normal photo. It also uses artificial intelligence, guys. As you can see, the photo looks sharp and vibrant. Considering this phone has been up for like 4 years now. And you also have wide angle for the photo. And you also have the telephoto 3x zoom. For the video pala, I forgot to mention that you have an option to zoom it up to 10 times if you are on 4K. Now, if you go on to 30 frames per second, you have option to go on wide angle video, 30 frames per second, 4K. Amazing touch, guys. It's still on par with most of the gadgets that is being released today, 2023. For the portrait mode, you have the depth effect, picture of Mocha. Alright, as you can see, guys, look at that vibrant color. Look at that. It's still amazing. Wow. We also have nightscape mode. So it's dark in here. As you can see, it's so dark. Let's try to turn off the lights. Let's try to turn it off, and then let's try to take a picture. Okay, captured, optimizing. Look at that. What the? Oh my god. This is an amazing camera, guys. Although there are a lot of violet or purple things in there, you can see that the artificial intelligence actually does its job perfectly. Amazing. Alright, now you have the Pro mode. So you can select the ISO, white balance, the aperture, the exposure, and the automatic and manual focus. There we go. Sorry about the dog noises in the background. Yeah, that's for the video and also for the camera. Yeah, look at that. Still amazing. Yeah, I think that's it for the camera for this OnePlus 7T. I've been using this for 4 years now, and I just added a UV tempered glass to this device just so it can properly protect the screen, even though this has been on for like 4 years now. Everything looks vibrant, everything looks good. I don't have any problems with the battery, with the camera. Oh, I forgot to mention that the front camera is amazing too. Look at this. Ooh, look at me. I'm still good. I'm looking good. Look at that. Alright. So the camera is a motorized pop-up camera, and let's say it falls down just like that. You will see a drop was detected and the camera was retracted. Continue using the camera. Either you can exit it or activate. Let's try to activate it. Amazing. Nice. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Peace out.